guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade cappuccinos. We're going to need almond milk, coffee, and ground cinnamon. I'm going to pour some milk in a cup. If you want to add sugar, you can add it at this point. Then, with the help of an electric whisk, I'm going to whisk it for a minute or two until it foams. I'm going to pour the coffee, and the trick for this is to add it as slow as possible so you can form layers. If you make a mess, just keep going. For the final touch, I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, just leave it out. That's all I have for you guys today. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.